Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're diving into something deeply personal and honestly, profoundly transformational: your journey with the Quran. Whether you're literally just taking your very first steps or you're looking to refine years of practice, having a clear, structured roadmap is absolutely vital. Learning the Quran is a beautiful pursuit, but let's be real, without the right guidance, it can kind of feel a bit overwhelming sometimes. So that's exactly why we're going to unpack a highly effective methodology today, one that makes this whole journey accessible, organized, and truly inspiring. Let's get right into it.
So, welcome to the Al-Zahra Arabic and Quran Academy. Think of this explainer as your personal guide to the highly structured and deeply authentic learning methodology they've put together. You know, it's really not just about cracking open a book and trying to read. It's about following a proven, carefully designed path that acts like a clear map for you, the traveler. Their whole approach is built from the ground up to bring out the absolute best in your recitation, your memorization, and your overall understanding.
Here's our roadmap for today. We're looking at the 3 parallel paths, then we'll break down Path 1, Tajweed, Path 2, Memorization, and Path 3, Revision. Finally, we'll cover your tools for success and how to begin your journey.
All right, Section 1, 3 parallel paths, the core methodology.
Now, you might be used to learning things in a strictly linear way, right? You do one thing, finish it, and move on to the next. But our Quran program moves in 3 parallel paths. The key word here is absolutely parallel. These paths aren't isolated, they run right side by side. By engaging in all 3 simultaneously, they work together to give you this incredibly comprehensive and balanced approach. It basically ensures that as your memorization grows, your pronunciation doesn't start slipping and your past learning stays firmly intact. It's a holistic system built for true mastery.
Moving on to Section 2, Path 1, Tajweed, the mandatory foundation.
So while other paths might be tweaked a bit based on what a student needs, this first path is mandatory for every single student. It's the bedrock. The journey starts with learning the Arabic letters, then learning the vowels and pronunciation, then reading fluently. Once you've got that down, you don't stop there. Next is studying the actual Tajweed rules, then reading fluently with those Tajweed rules applied, and finally, the absolute pinnacle, reaching fluent recitation with an authentic chain of transmission connected to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It is such a deeply prestigious and spiritual milestone to reach.
That brings us to Section 3, Path 2, Memorization, which is all about continuous growth. If Tajweed is the foundation, memorization is the framework you build right on top of it. In this path, students memorize new verses regularly while continuing to strengthen the surahs and verses they learned before. And listen, if you've ever felt intimidated by the sheer volume of the Quran, don't worry. Memorization here is gradual, organized, and perfectly suited to each student's ability. It is highly individualized. It's not a race at all. It's a steady, beautiful progression at a pace that actually works for you.
Next up, Section 4, Path 3, Revision or Retaining Your Knowledge. Because really, what good is dedicating all that time to memorization if it just slips away a few weeks later? Revision is divided into 3 crucial categories to stop that from happening. First, reviewing old memorized surahs. This keeps your long-term memory active. Second, reviewing newly memorized surahs, which locks that fresh information firmly into place. And third, giving extra attention to passages that need more improvement. You know, we all have those specific verses that trip us up, right? This targeted approach makes sure those weak spots get the active attention they need.
All right, Section 5, Tools for Success, Equipping the Traveler.
So we've talked concepts, but let's get highly practical for a second. What physical tools do you actually need to pack for this journey? You might be expecting some complicated list of modern study aids, but for the absolute best results, every student should have just 2 things: a Medina Mus'haf without color Tajweed marks and a simple pencil. That's literally it. Kind of surprising in its simplicity, right? But there is a super profound reason we stick to these basics. Here's the secret: active recall. Students use that pencil to literally mark the letters and words where they make mistakes. This helps them recognize their weaknesses and actually learn from their own recitation while practicing alone. When you don't have those colored marks automatically guiding your eyes, you're forcing your brain to actively remember the rules. You're learning to self-correct. It's a total game changer that turns a simple pencil into a really powerful instrument for mastery.
And finally, Section 6, Begin Your Journey, Your Next Steps.
So, the roadmap is laid out, and you know exactly what tools you need. But before you grab that pencil, there is also an important explainer covering the absolute best methods for memorizing the Quran. Please check the link in the comments for that. It's a fantastic supplementary resource that's really going to encourage and assist you as you dive in.
After that, it's time to take action. Start your Quran journey today. Learn correctly, recite beautifully, memorize confidently, and connect your recitation to the noble tradition. This is really the heartbeat of the whole program. A beautiful reminder that with the right structure, true excellence is totally within your reach.
To wrap things up, I want to leave you with this one profound thought. The ultimate goal here isn't just about reading words off a page accurately. It's to connect your recitation to the noble tradition passed down to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. You're joining a living, unbroken chain that spans centuries. The map is drawn, the path is cleared, so are you ready to take your place in that noble tradition?